Dan Brown's The Da Vinci Code is an electrifying blend of mystery, history, and conspiracy that keeps readers on the edge of their seats. With its intricate plot and fast paced narrative, Brown takes us on a thrilling journey through the seed streets of Paris, unraveling ancient secrets and hidden messages with symbologist Robert Langdon at the helm. As Langdon and cryptologist Sophie Neveu race against time to solve a murder and decode cryptic clues, they uncover shocking revelations that challenge long held beliefs about religion, art, and the very nature of truth itself. The Da Vinci Code is a captivating page turner that will leave readers spellbound until the very last twist. Thanks for watching Join Tracks.